Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the setup process for the Orbi 4G LTE Wi-Fi router. Whether you're looking for a reliable internet connection on the go or a backup for your home network, the Orbi 4G LTE has you covered. Let's dive into the setup process. Start by unboxing your Orbi 4G LTE Wi-Fi router. Inside the box, you should find the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. Make sure all these items are present before moving on. Next, it's time to install your SIM card. Turn the router upside down to locate the SIM card slot. Carefully insert the SIM card into the slot, ensuring it's aligned correctly and clicks into place. Insert your SIM card into the slot, ensuring it's properly aligned. Once the SIM card is in place, you're ready to power up the router. Plug in the power adapter to your Orbi router and connect it to a power outlet. The router will automatically power on. Wait for the LED light to turn solid white, indicating that the router is ready for setup. Now, grab your smartphone, tablet, or computer and look for the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, on your device. This can be found on the label on the back of the router. Connect to the network using the default password provided. To make the setup process easy, download the Orbi app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The app will guide you through setting up your network, including naming your Wi-Fi network and setting a new password. To get the best signal and coverage, place your Orbi 4G LTE router in a central location in your home, ideally near a window. This will ensure a strong LTE signal and optimal Wi-Fi performance. Once your network is set up, the Orbi app will run a few tests to ensure everything is working correctly. You can also customize settings like parental controls, guest networks, and more through the app.